So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Nearby Share. It's a great feature to share videos, photos and many more files nearby securely. And it's from the Google and it's also known as Quick Share too. So let's dive into the video. But before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to your YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So without any further ado, let's get started. So go to your phone settings, then search for quick share. So let's go to phone settings and search for quick share. It might be quick share in your phone or nearby share. In my phone, it's quick share. You can also search for nearby share. You may find it. Here it is, quick share. Click on the quick share. Go to quick share. Give all the permission of files and location needed to share the files. Then you can go to who can share you, turn on the visible if it's off, and then select the contacts if user you are sharing the file is in your contacts, but ensure it to be in Google Contacts. Just agree it. Or you can also select everyone nearby that your device will be visible to share files to everyone who is nearby. Also, don't forget to tick on only for 10 minutes. So, even if you forget to turn off the nearby share, it will automatically turn off and it will secure your privacy. So, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.